welcome back to the video. So today we'll discuss the remaining parts of determiners. In the previous video we have already covered the first two parts, articles and demonstratives. So let's recapitulate the previous content. Basically we were discussing about determiners. So determiners are the words which are used before the nouns to give them the specific meaning. We had discussed articles and demonstratives. Articles are the words which are used before the nouns to give them a specific or particular meaning, whether it is singular or plural, whether it is definite or indefinite. The second part which we had discussed is demonstratives. Demonstratives are the words which are used to demonstrate, to indicate or to point out something on the basis of singular and plural, and on the basis of the objects which are closer to me or far away from me. In today's video, we'll discuss two more parts. The first one, quantifiers, and the second one, possessives. Basically, when we talk about quantifiers, as the word itself suggests, quantifiers are the words which quantify something. These are the words which are used before the nouns to tell the quantity or the number of it. I repeat, quantifiers are the words which are used to quantify something. These are the words which are used before the nouns to tell the number or the quantity of it. Okay? Now, quantifiers are again, they are categorized into two parts, countable and uncountable. There are many parts which are used as a quantifiers like some, few, more, much, many, little, a few, a little, the few, many more, a lot of. Okay, but the question arises how to use them and where to use them. So that we'll discuss now. First we'll talk about countable one. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted easily on fingertips, like chairs, tables, students, fans, pencils, pens. And uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted easily but they are measured. I repeat, uncountable nouns are those nouns which are not counted or which cannot be counted. Instead, they are measured, like liquid, or the abstract nouns just like feelings, emotions. Okay, I cannot say I am 3 happy or I am many happy. I am too much happy. Okay, so the things which we cannot count but we can measure, these are the things which are coming under the category of uncountable one. Now in countable, following words come like many, some, more, few, a few, the few, etc. In uncountable, these are turned into, many turns into much, some remains same in both of them, more remains same in both of them, few turns into little, a few turns into a little, the few turns into the little. Now let's discuss how to use them and where to use them. Many is used in front of countable nouns which are good in quantity, good in numbers, like there are many, approx 50, 60, which are more in numbers. Like I can say there are many students in universities these days. Okay. Second one, some. Some is both. It is used as countable also. It is used as uncountable also. Let's take small example. There are some students in the class. So here it is taken as countable one because we can count the students in the class. More, again it is used in both the conditions for countable as well as for uncountable. Give me some more chairs. or give me more chairs. Okay, so chairs can be counted and it can be used as countable as well as for uncountable. Few, a few, and the few. These are the words which create a lot of confusion. Let's talk about few first. Few is used at a place where the thing is almost negligible. I repeat, few is used at the place where the thing is almost negligible, okay, which is almost zero or which is almost about to get finished. A few is used where the thing is a bit more, which we can count easily. Like there are a few students in the class, so they could be 3-4 students in the class. The few is used for a bit bigger quantity which is specific. I repeat, the few is used for a bigger quantity which is specific. Like there are the few students in the class including Rahul, Ram, Ramesh. So I am specifying, along with that I am telling about the quantity as well. Okay, let's move to uncountable one. Much is used for uncountable nouns which cannot be counted, which are measured. Like how much milk is remaining in the bucket. I cannot count the milk. What I can do, I can measure it. That's why I have used much here, not many. Second one comes some. As we had discussed, some is used in both of them, in countable as well as in uncountable. For countable, I have given you the example. Now let's take example for uncountable. Give me some milk. Here milk cannot be counted, but it can be measured. So some comes in both the cases, countable as well as uncountable. Same goes for more. More can be used in both of them. Give me some more milk or give me more milk. A little, little, and the little. They are exactly same as few, a few, and the few. A few, few, and the few is used in countable nouns. Little, a little, the little is used for uncountable nouns. Little is used where the quantity is almost negligible or about to get finished. A little where the quantity is there and it can be measured, like 1 kilo, 2 kilos, example, not specific one. The little, which is specific quantity and a bit more. Okay. Now there is a confusion between the two terms, whether they are countable or uncountable. Let's talk about them. Money and time. These are the two terms which create a lot of confusion in people. Let's talk about money first. People think that money is countable. We can count the money. Actually, money is not countable. It is uncountable. Let's see why. If someone asks you, how much money do you have? Do you reply, I have 1 money, 2 money, 3 money? No. I repeat, if someone asks you, how much money do you have? Do you reply, I have 1 money, 50 money, 20 money? No. What you reply? I have 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. So basically what you are doing, you are counting the currency there, not the money. Money is a bigger term which consists all the currencies there. Example, rupees, dollar, euro. These are the currencies which can be counted. I repeat, currencies are counted, not the money. Money is a bigger prospect, is a bigger content which contains all the currencies in it. Money is uncountable and currencies are countable. Same goes with time. When we talk about time, time is uncountable, but minutes, hours, seconds, months, these are countable. If someone asks you how much time is remaining, you never reply it is 1 time remaining, 2 time remaining or 5 time remaining. What you reply? 5 hours remaining or 3 minutes remaining, 10 seconds are remaining. What you're counting there? You're counting the inner units of it, like minutes, hours, seconds. So money is uncountable, sorry, time is uncountable, and the inner parts of it like hours, minutes and seconds, these are countable. So these are quantifiers. I hope I cleared it. Let's move to the next part of it. Next one comes possessives. Again, as the word itself suggests, possessives are the words which show possession. Possession in simple words means ownership. Okay? It shows the ownership of particular thing. So the words which show the ownership or the words which show the possession are called possessives. So there are various words like my, his, her, our, their, your, etc. So these are possessives. The words which show the possession or the ownership of something are called possessives. My is used for me as an individual, his for a boy, her for a girl, our for my individual group. Example, it is our marker, that means this marker belongs to my group. Their to a particular group of the another person, it is their marker. Your to a specific individual, which is another one, it is your book. Okay, so these are some of the examples for possessives. I hope I cleared all the topics. We'll be back with the new content in the new video. Thank you.